Hello everyone, this is Fazlur Rahman here from Codebook.in. Hope you're enjoying my project videos. Today I brought you a project on child tracking system using QR code. Basically, if the children are going to school or they are coming back from the school to home, there should be a tracking mechanism using QR code, their location, whether they have boarded the bus or not, whether they have been dropped securely, safely in the school or not. So these kind of alerts or these kind of notifications, parents should be able to check using the QR codes. Let us see the concept of the project is this only. Let us see the project execution step by step. There are three different types of users are there in this project. Basically, this is the landing page of our project. There is an administrator, there is a conductor, and there is a parent. Okay, so for the project development, we have used some technologies. Let me tell you what are the technologies which we are using in this project. For front-end development, we are using HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. For back-end development, we are using Python along with the Django framework. For database, we are using MySQL here. So let us see, for better project explanation, I'll open these three different users in three different tabs. Let us say first tab is for administrator, second tab is for conductor, and third tab is for parent. So first of all, let's try to log in with administrator and check what admin can perform. I will log in with admin credentials here, and the login is successful. You can see here we have created a user interface, a dashboard kind of user interface we have created for administrator. Now we can see here some information like how many number of children are there and number of buses, number of campuses, number of teachers. Let us go to student management portal. Under student management portal, first of all, we need to add a student in this portal. So let us go to add student and add a children here. So I'll provide some details like I will say 104 ID. I need to press tab here to go to the next field. I'll press tab from the keyboard and child full name. Let us say here child full name is Harry, and child class name we need to provide here. Child class name is nothing but second A section tab. Child mother name I am saying here. So child mother name is nothing but Ellie. Okay, let's press tab here. Child's father name I am saying, let's say Mark. Press tab. Email ID is, let's say, ellie@gmail.com. Tab. Contact number, something. Tab. Address, something. Tab. So here we can press space in order to upload the profile picture. Let me press space bar here from the keyboard. Let me select the profile photo. Now press tab again, register. Registration is successful. You can see here, this children has this, child has been registered by their parent information. Now let's go to, this is the manage student. Let's go to, let's log out. Let's go to the next tab here, which is nothing but for conductor. So conductor login has been given. The username and conductor password I'll give for the conductor. Login. The login is successful for the conductor. Basically, what is the role of conductor is nothing here. They will scan the QR codes, or suppose for an example, the bus will be having a device at the doorstep, the steps for scanning the QR codes. Each and every child should be equipped with the QR code to their dress or on their wrist. Anywhere there should be a QR code to scan whether they have boarded or not from the bus, from school to home or school to home. Okay, both the ways are there. Home to school is there and school to home is there. So two ways the scanning has to be done by the QR code scanner. There is an option here, home to school scan. Let us say that for an example, the bus reaches to the children home. Now they are picking the child from the home to the school. So there is a need to scan that the child is boarded. Okay. So for that, let's go here and we need to scan the QR code. Let me tell you all the QR codes, whatever this project requires is available in the project folder itself, in the media folder. Whatever the registrations have been done in this project, like just now we have registered a child. That child ID we have given, like 104, I think I have given. With that ID, a QR code will be created. So let us scan that QR code. Let me show you where is that QR code first. In the media folder, again media. Here I can find something like, yeah, student ID 5. Here it is. And if I scroll this, if I scan this QR code, let's see what information I will get. I've got here the ID of the, student 5. Okay. Unique ID. Now, let's scan that image. I'll upload here. Media folder, under media folder, again media. And next we will have here student 5. Okay. Let's select this. Assume that there is a device for scanning. Right now in the application, we are giving to choose the file, but there should be a device equipped in the buses. So the scanning will be done automatically and the QR code will be there mostly on the student dress or wrist. Anywhere we will stick the QR code. Now let's scan it. Boarded successfully, which means the information here is nothing but the child has boarded from their home towards the school. Okay, boarded the bus here. Now this information a parent can track. Okay, let's go to parent and log in with parent. Email ID we need to provide here. We have given something like this, le@gmail.com. Where is the password? For password, let's go and check right now in the database what is the password we have got for this LE. Basically, we are creating some random numbers, okay, for generating the passwords at the time of admin add the children. Here there is a table, children's data. Let's go there. And this LE, let's see what is the password we have got for LE. You can see the password is this 63. Let me copy and provide here. Login. Parent login successful. Now this is the dashboard of the parent. My profile, you can see his profile here. And change password. If the parent wants to change the password, they can change here. Next, the password at the time of administrator adding the data about the children, the password can be sent to their mobile devices or email ID. Okay, I can do that. There is not an issue. It's a small task. Let's go to board status. Okay, board status. And we can see here this 104 children, Harry has boarded from home to school. Got it? And if I check here, the drop status is nothing. Okay, the child has not been dropped to the home. Let's go to conductor again. And we have got an option here, school to home scan. Suppose the child is boarding in the school bus towards the home. Okay, the school is completed. Now child is boarding the bus towards the home. So the scanning will be done, the same scanning. Let's scan that. Student 5. No, sorry. And you can see here the second child is Harry. This is a boarded. He also boarded here. Okay. And we have got here in the parent, drop status. Let's refresh this again by clicking on it. Now we have got this child, okay, Harry, boarded from school to home. In Conductor app, we can see two childs have been boarded, Steve and Harry. Whereas this parent can only check of their children only 104, okay, not other children's. Next, we have got the option in the parent track. Here we are using Google Maps API. Okay, Google Maps API we are using here. Here is the location. Let's try to add the destination here. I'll click on something like Slate the school, add the location, and this will show me the complete path of the, okay, from school to home, and it will tell me how many minutes or duration of the trip it is going to take for my child. So a parent can track here completely how much time my child can come back from school to home. This is a tracking live we are doing through Google Maps API. For this to run Google Maps API, you must have the Google Maps API key with you. Otherwise, this will not work. Okay. So let's go back now. Under notification, if we have got any notification from the administrator, that will come. Let us go to admin now. So bus delay update is an option here. Bus delay update. I'll type here. Today, the bus will be delayed for 15 minutes because of traffic. Submit. So this information will be submitted to all the parents. Let's go in Parents app and check here under notification. Now you can see I have got a notification here from the school. Today the bus will be delayed for 15 minutes cause of traffic. Okay, this is a notification from the administrator directly to the parents. Under feedback, we can provide the feedback here. Very nice website for tracking children's. Let's submit this feedback. Feedback is submitted. Now we can go to our administrator and we can check here under feedback analysis. If we go, we can check here the feedback is received and it is very positive. The feedback is very positive here. And under sentiment analysis, we are saying here one very positive feedback is received. Okay, basically 5 different classifications are there for feedback analysis. We are doing this using machine learning. Very positive, positive, neutral, negative, very negative. These are the 5 classifications. As we don't have much data, so the graphs are not available. As the data we built, only 1 or 2 records are there, few records are there in the database. So that's why it doesn't have any much details here. Got it? So this was a complete project. I hope you have understood it very clearly. If you're not getting anything, if you have any doubts about the project execution and explanation, you can get back to me. My number has been given. Okay. So with this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.